So previously we added static, we compile static HTML to PHP, and then I noticed that also you maybe also noticed that you may be screaming that I have some kind of errors in the code. So this is our site, and if you click on inspect, and then you will see what I'm talking about. So if you go to console, and then if you go another network, you got something like refresh this page, and you will see some photo full page. So anything's photo full is not good. So that means it cannot find the either that relatable. So it cannot find this one, and then this is also we are loading the main script. That's not good. That's not what we want. So we don't want to mess up WordPress theme style with our own custom style. So you may be screaming, hey, you have an error in my code. Absolutely right. You are absolutely right. So this style is referred to this guy. That's not what we want. We don't want to mess up this guy. So we just want to leave it alone. So we want to mess up this guy, meaning we actually need this guy. So just copy whatever. Just copy that one. And then that should be, so we are at the current directory here. That should be inside CSS folder. Same for this guy. We are at the current directory, and it is inside JavaScript folder. A name called script.js, and you save that one. And then go to your WordPress site, and then you should be seeing styling better. Yep, that's better. If you didn't get this guy, that means you use something wrong, and then you should see this one, and then everything should be good to go. So that's a quick changes before we move to next next branch, which is we'll be making this guy. So that we done this one. So before we start, so go to the down one, in here, or you may choose the Git branch here, whatever you prefer, and you can choose from here as well. So you can jump to the branch. So the easiest way is from here as well, sorry. So you go to 03. So we are at this, so level 3. So right now we should be, your head should be 03 branch. And then let's look what are the changes. So nothing much change here. So CSS should be okay in there, and the images should be okay, and the JavaScript should be nothing there because we didn't change anything. And because I already created the heavy lifting for you, so static HTML has everything all you needed, and then this is a simple and moderate project, so it's not complicated. And we should be adding footer and functions.php. This is the engine part. So this guy is the engine. So and then we will create a header PHP header, and then for WordPress, these are related to WordPress, actually to just WordPress thing. So and then we were not changing anything. So this will be quick tutorial. So nothing much there. So go back to your development code, and then make it. Can you make it half? Because I'm using multiple monitors, so it make me hard. So make this one. That's the source code. You already knew that. That's better. And then we're at the empty file, so just click on index, and then because don't add anything inside the CSS or something, like make sure where you are selected. So just select, just make a selection on the outside, or like style or CSS or something like that, or index.php is good. So just select on that one. We want the same level as this guy. Sorry, and click on new files, and then give a name footer.php. Sorry, and the other guy is that this is an engine functions. It has to be exactly the same this guy. So WordPress will be looking exactly the same name. So you need to be the same name in your project and everywhere. So footer should be same, so it should be footer. And then the other guy is header. And then what do we have? Let me check here. Don't think we have any. We didn't change anything. And then you go back to your browsers, and then just refresh. It will do anything because we didn't change. Sorry, we didn't change anything. So this is the quick tutorial, and then I have something for next one. So we'll start. So we'll start dividing the section, and then we'll add header to the WordPress header, and the footer to the WordPress footer, and an index will only have the main part. So like header go to header, footer go to footer, and then index will only have the main part. So I'll see you in next tutorial, and then I have some kind of technical. So if you found something is wrong, the voice is lagging or something like that, so just give me a comment. And if you really hate the video, and then I recommend you to make a similar video, I challenge you. So that will make a better community, so like everyone can have a benefits, like so we make it more affordable, and then if we reach out to more viewers, and then that will be helpful. So you save many hours, or hours. And then so not all the people have money, because $10 is on Udemy is quite challenging for most of the people from poor country, like they don't even earn $10 for the daily life. They don't even, so their monthly most of their monthly salary are around $10 per month. They are living with that kind of condition, so probably. So I challenge you. So this is, if you really hate it, and then create a similar tutorial, but don't copy it. So I challenge you. This is my challenge. So if you really technical glitch, just go, and then I'll see you in next tutorial.